Lunch is served. What are we eating for lunch? Leftover salad and chicken from last night and sweet potato, but there was not enough sweet potato. So we'll have something else for pudding. Like cocoa, my favorite. I don't know if anyone's had those like revolutionary epiphanies, realizations, when they do something that someone told them to do all along, and then you realize, oh, this is how easy life can be. This is what it's been like to to finally get a power saw. It's literally revolutionary. Just look how much wood we've been through already. So we've managed to cut all the lengths for our veggie boxes over here, and then these are all the shorts for our veggie boxes over here, and we managed to do this all while Mila was napping. Hey, you were having a nice nap. I'll show you my sketchiest woodworking setup ever. We literally, I'll have to video myself. I haven't got any videos of myself actually working here, but we've literally just got a bench where we're putting the planks on and just sawing them here with the power saw. We're using an extension cord from this little cottage here. I'll try to get a video next time. But now we can start constructing them. Should we start?
Yes.
I reckon so.
It's a bucket. These things.
Are you going to saw it? Can you saw it for us?
This way. Go this way. Go this way. This way. Get that. Put it up. And put it up. And put it up. Put it up. Put it up.
Lovely. What are you making? Hey, what are you making?
And put butter.
Are you making a bed for Balto?
Yes.
That would be nice.
Get that.
Hey, maybe with some leftover wood we actually can make a bed for Balto. A little raised bed. That's a good idea. Next project.
This one. And this one.
If anyone wants some woodworking advice from an amateur, get a power saw, stop being antiquated, and get a proper workbench, because if you have to bend over really low, it kills your back. I mean, I'm naffy, but still. Anyway.
Top. This go. Another go. Up here. Get that. Get the bottle. Doggy.
I think he's too heavy for you to pick up.
Doggy. Doggy.
Is he a good boy?
Doggy. 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 Doggy.
So we ran into a few minor setbacks, namely not having the right tools. We had the wrong drill bits and the wrong posi bits, so I ended snapping 2 drill bits in this really hard wood and 2 screws basically. So I got the right stuff today, and this is the progress we've made so far. So we're just screwing all the long sides together. Come have a look. Come have a look. See, Balto thinks it's a castle just for him. Hey. We're screwing all the long sides together into this like 38 by 38 wood, and then we'll have to figure out how to screw all the short sides together, but we can carry on with this so far. This is my little workshop helper right here. The annoying part is that we only have a a battery powered drill, not an electric drill, so I'm having to wait for the battery to charge now, and we're kind of on a time crunch because there's some cold weather coming in. Say hello to the peeps. Oh, this is what happened yesterday. I sliced my finger on one of the drill bits that got snapped off inside the wood. As you can see, we've got some cold weather predicted, and you can see the cold front coming in now. Hopefully some snow. I would love to just get one snow at least. Mila will love it. What do we do on rainy days, Mila? Hey, we do art. Look at your beautiful artwork. It's flower pots. What did you make? What did you make? Lots of stars. Okay. I don't know how well this is going to come out on video, but you can see a bit of snowflakes coming down, but I think it's still mixed with a bit of rain, but there's some small little snowflakes coming down. What are you hiding from? Balto, what are you barking at? Has he got a happy face? It's a happy butterfly.
Happy butterfly.
Look how beautifully the snow is falling now. It's so hard, just doesn't come out the same on camera, but so pretty. We've got ourselves sorted with life right now. What happened? Try catch one. Look at me. Look this way. Do you like the snow? Snooshy. Wow, it takes some real dedication to the sand pit to be playing in the snow and wanting to play with water. Nogal. Balto's definitely not as enamored by the snow as anyone else. He'd much rather go and lie inside by the fire. Shame, Balto. Are you cold, boy? Are you cold? I'm not impressed, guys. I'm not impressed. What is this frozen icy stuff falling on me for no reason? I just wanted to get this beautiful scene at night. It's like a little winter wonderland. How beautiful. It's our front garden. And look at these snowflakes falling. So pretty.
It does kind of look like a lot. See. Oh my gosh, this is awesome.
Oh my god. This is not something you get every day in Africa.
It feels like a different yard. Look at the snow on the fence. We need to get some trees breaking. What's that?
Oh, this little gumboots are not gonna fit. Balto's losing his mind. Look at him. Hardy Dolls is just upset over there. Oh, shame.
This is what you wanted, Mama.
I cannot believe this.
Is it good? Love her gumboot up pulling out from the top.
Look at this dog. He absolutely loves the snow.
Oh, that's so close.
He basically disappears in the snow. All you can see is this little brown head. What's happening? Is Balto taking a shower? He does.
In the boring room, it's just another rainy Sunday afternoon. I'm wasting my time, I got nothing to do. I'm hanging around, I'm waiting for you, but nothing ever happens. And I wonder, I'm driving around in my car. I'm driving too fast, I'm driving too far. I'd like to change my point of view.
Look at this snowman creation coming to life over here. What did you create, Mila? Look at this very grumpy snowman. Very fat, happy, grumpy.
Awesome.
First of all, let me cuff you guys having a little moment over here.
Yeah, that's so soft.
Oh, such a happy dog. Oh, getting cuddles. Such a happy dog. Oh, so content. Oh my boysy.
Right, let's go look.
I'm just out here trying to get a good photograph of this absolutely beautiful view. It's the most beautiful afternoon. I'm out here with both my cameras trying to get a good photo of these landscapes, but it's a little bit difficult, but the light is beautiful. Two cameras.
Two
Cameras.
Whoops. We live in paradise. It's so pretty. Can't get over it. Goodbye, Mr. Golden Sun.